when Dora at 80 had a stroke, and I, due to family situation, was able to leave to go to Montreal and take over. So first in her place, which was a very tough place to be, sit in her chair, and then take on the English theater, and then build a performing arts center. But for a long time, I questioned how could she keep her spirits when she's lost language and mobility. But it was those last few years where she was honored with an Order of Canada, an Order of Quebec, a Mask Award, which is equivalent to our Tonys. So she was content sitting in the audience or sitting at rehearsals yelling at me. Because if she didn't like something I was doing, she let me know. And that was wonderful, because it meant her spirit was still there. She didn't give up. And she wouldn't give up to the end, you know. She wasn't prepared to write one of these, you know, do not resuscitate. She loved life, and she wanted it all until the end. And my mother and father died within 3 weeks of each other.